guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are doing well. I've been having quite a good day. And then my Look Fantastic box turned up and I was like, yes, need to get this out to my people. If you want to be one of my people, don't forget you can subscribe to my channel, you know. You can also give me a thumbs up. You can ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and you can also share this video. Did you know? Yeah, I know you know, but other people might want to find out about this box too. So, you know, you're doing them a service, really, sharing me around. All right, let's get into the video. So, Look Fantastic, £15 a month or less if you buy a longer subscription. This is a beautiful Valentine's box, isn't it? Look, we've got rose gold writing for the Look Fantastic, and around the rim of the box, a darker sort of dusky rose pink on top and a paler pink for the bottom. Let's open it up. They always have a saying on the inside. Love is like the sunshine trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. That's pretty nice. Oh, if you're wondering why I'm half done, no lipstick, etc., no eyes, it's because I got this far through my makeup and I was like, oh crap, there might be something in the box I can use. So I stopped. Every month you get your little booklet and it has more than just what is in the box inside. What do they say? Oh, we've got a sneak peek for next month. So look away if you don't want to find out. We're shining a spotlight on the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid 2%, which will be featured in next month's box. Discover this ultra hydrating formula containing pure hyaluronic acid and put dry skin to bed. It's vegan as well. Looks like this. It's called the Romance Edition. Share the love this February with this romance themed Look Fantastic beauty box. We're celebrating all things romance, from the female friendships you can't imagine your life without to embracing that special someone. It's the season of love for the beauty box. We've carefully curated a selection of beauty products perfect for this month, designed to help you create a look that radiates confidence. We're also sharing the love with this month's exclusive Beauty Box magazine, where we're sharing our tips on hosting a Valentine's Day brunch that your friends won't forget, the best shades of blush for each skin tone, and the Beauty Box team's first date essentials. Join us as we celebrate the season of love this February. Not bad. Of course, we always have the Elle magazine that comes in every Look Fantastic box. Ta-da! And then this is the box itself. Pink paper for the pink box. The romance box. These are our goodies. Now, one thing we know about, pretty sure we know about, is our sneak peek from last month, and it's this, the Sleek palette, which if I'd been smart I would have used and demoed for you today, but I was silly and I forgot. This is the Face Form palette, contouring and blush, and in the colour Light. This is a full-size product, which is great, and I had a look at these online, and this light one is the only one with a pink blush. The others have like a bronzer instead of a blusher for medium and darker skin, which I thought was kind of, I don't know, like, shouldn't everyone be able to have a kind of pinky blusher? But then for people who like to do the bronzing look rather than a blush, you'd be happy, I guess. I just thought it was kind of interesting to have such a different look. Face Form is the ultimate contouring multi-palette. This unique compact includes a matte, easy to blend contour powder, an illuminating highlighter, and a shimmer blush for a healthy bronze glow or a brilliant flush of colour. We've got a nice big mirror there, which is great. I'm going to do a little swatch of each. You can see the shimmer in that. Let me hold my arm up. You can see the shimmer in that blush as well. That's the highlighter. That's the contour powder. And that is what they look like. Possibly that would be dark enough. I just might have to layer it up for me. But look at the shine on that blush. They are not messing about. And then you've got the highlighter, which is a lot more subtle. When you compare it to the gleam on that blush, that's kind of weird, isn't it? The highlighter's a lot more subtle. What do we think? How many of you like shiny blusher? I like shiny blusher for certain looks, but I wouldn't necessarily use it for all looks. But then I guess that's why we have more than one thing. But yeah, it's kind of interesting to have that two-tone, what do they call it? Chromatic effect, is that what I'm trying to say? It looks kind of peachy in real life, not in these lights, but it's kind of just a pinky colour. Yeah, it's not that blinding. I could add a little to my face, couldn't I? if I had the right brush. I've got a little on, but highlighting every spot along there. But okay, so this is my highlighter before. This is the highlighter now. So it's definitely gone up in the world. Better match this side now. On skin, that's better than I thought actually. I could add a bit of pink to my cheeks, couldn't I? Because I haven't got that much on. I've picked up this much. Is that dangerous? Possibly. Wow, yes. And you can definitely see the shine in action there. My face is alive with the power of shine. Not sure how I feel. I feel very like sun-kissed or something. So that is the first item. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with that. It is different to what I've got. I think this will be glorious in summer as well. What does look fantastic say? A face shaping essential. This contour palette enhances the complexion, containing a matte contour shade, a flushed blush and a dewy highlighter. This is a makeup essential perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. Apply the blush shade to the tip of your nose for a sun-kissed and healthy glow. Ooh, that's what I said, didn't I? Summer. That would be perfect for summer. Now, okay, next we have something exciting. Some eyelash, didn't know what the word was then, some eyelash curlers. I've never used eyelash curlers before, but I'm going to give it a try now. These are from Emité Makeup, by artists for artists. I've not heard of this brand. You can't see it. Let me take it out of the pack. So these are in a beautiful rose gold colour. I always feel like they look like a bit of a torture device. And it comes with 3 more rubber bits that are on here in there as well, which is great. Curl your lashes to perfection with this ergonomically designed eyelash curler. With a comfortable grip, this curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimising risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash curler's rounded silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting intense curl. And it says, tip, don't clamp your lashes for over 3 seconds as this will crimp them, not curl them. This is what they look like before. And that's what they look like after. Can you see a difference? I'm not even sure if it touched them, to be honest. Oh, that was my skin. 1, 2, 3. I think they are curlier. And I can't see any marks on my makeup either, so that's pretty cool. Well, it's definitely something to try. I might try it with mascara on. Do you think it's better to do it before you mascara or after you mascara? Let me know. Next, mascara. Just what we needed. So this is from Doucce. I've had a load of mascaras from Doucce lately, and this is the Punk Volumizer mascara. Ooh, this is a mini size, definitely, and it's kind of, what shape is this? Kind of oval, but 3D oval. Instead of being a cylinder, it's expanded in the middle. Ooh, that's a tree of a bush. That didn't sound right, did it? Right, so I'm saying that because it kind of looks like a tree. Very spiky. I think this is a plastic brush. Plastic bristles? Flexible, I'm not sure. But anyway, shall we put some on? I was going to do lashes. In fact, I might do lashes anyway, but we have to try it, don't we? Does anyone else do the top side of their eyelashes? Most people just do the bottom side, like this side that's facing down. I always do the top then the bottom. I'm not sure if that's the cause of all my mascara problems, but maybe. So far so good. I'm getting length, I'm getting volume, and I'm getting lift. Still nowhere near false eyelash level, but you know, what can you do? I hope my eyelashes will come back to where they used to be one day. Not so great for catching my lower lashes, to be honest. Right, there we go. What do we think? We can definitely see mascara is on. Even though the bottom eyelash wasn't great, it's still there, but I would definitely use something else for that because it's just not coating them as much as I would like. There is without, there is with. So I hope that is clear. Oh, my skin is so bumpy up close. Oh yeah, if I just use the tip, I can catch the little ones and get a bit more colour on them. There we go, 2 eyes done. Let me just take that off my nose. So there we go. Life is definitely different with mascara. Definitely looks better. Everything looks better once you've got a bit of mascara on. Yeah, this is pretty good. Create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long lasting results without clumping, smudging or fading. With a brush that has both long and short bristles, this mascara amplifies, separates, curls and coats lashes from root to tip. I have definitely got a bit of a clumpy eye there. A bit less on that side, but a bit more on that side. But I would say they definitely look longer, they definitely look fuller, they definitely are curled upwards. Obviously I had the help of the eyelash curler as well, but I think that this mascara did more. So yeah, that is pretty cool. I like that. Right, what else we got that I can try? This from Philip Kingsley. We get so much Philip Kingsley stuff, don't we, across these boxes. So this is a white bottle with a spray cap with blue writing on it saying Philip Kingsley Maximiser. Maximizes volume, body and bounce for fine, limp and flyaway hair types. Spray onto roots for lift or throughout lengths for overall volume. Gently blow dry for maximum volume. Now these instructions would make me think that this is the only thing I can do with this. However, you can put it on dry hair and you can put it on wet hair and then just style. So never fear if, like me, you are not a if you are not a blow dryer. A volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair. Providing volume and body, this spray holds hair in place while smoothing frizz and adding shine. A spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair care essential. Use this on dry hair to set your style in place, or spritz into the roots for a lift and spray through mid-lengths and ends for a volume boost. I've got a bit of frizz. Let's see if I can give myself a spray. Ooh. And just calm that down a bit. It smells nice. Even better now. Although I don't have fine hair, I do like the idea of this because sometimes when I wear my hair down, I would like a bit more rise in my hair, especially at the back, so I might use this to spray into the roots. I swear I've had one of these already though. It's, you know, all about what this box is about, getting ready for your date night, getting ready for hanging out with your mates if you're not going on a date, get ready for looking cute for your husband at home, which is what I will be doing. So yeah, I think this fits in. What have we got next? This teeny tiny little box. This is from Erno Lazlo. Exfoliate and Detox Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Never heard of this. An exfoliating facial bar that cleanses using sea mud and charcoal to draw out impurities and visibly reduce pore size. Well, people are going to like the sound of that. Bye bye pores, go away. And of course the packaging is recyclable, which is great. Oh, and apart from the little teeny tiny soap is in plastic. So it is a black soap bar, smaller than my little finger in length, and about as fat as £3 coins head to head. And it says Erno Lazlo in the middle, and it's covered in cellophane. It does have a scent, but I couldn't really tell you what it is because, you know me, I'm not good at describing scents. Kind of crowny and waxy actually. Harness the therapeutic benefits of dead sea mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar. Containing 26 minerals, this bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, this bar seals in and ensures an optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. Use following a cleansing oil as part of a double cleansing ritual. Dampen the bar and massage over the face, creating a lather. Use the contours of the bar to stimulate circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. Well, as we are trying to use less packaging, having a bar for a cleanser removes the need to have a plastic bottle, although I didn't like that that came wrapped in a cellophane. Unless it's one of those cellophane things that, was it cellophane? I don't know what it's called. You know, plastic stuff. Unless it's the kind that dissolves in the dishwasher, which I think can't be bad if it dissolves in a dishwasher. Do you know the ones I mean? Or the ones that dissolve in the washing machine? I'm going to give this a try. It says as the second part, so I guess that it's not good for taking off your makeup. It's good for just giving you a deep clean. Right, last item coming up, and it is this from Lord & Berry. It's a 20100 Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick in the colour Intimacy, which is that colour there, and it looks like this. Let's give ourselves a little line of it. It's kind of that dusky nude pink colour. Well, maybe a bit deeper actually than the regular colours. Achieve high pigmented colour with this Lord & Berry matte lipstick pencil. With a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly onto the lips, this lipstick pencil delivers long-lasting coverage that will last all day. Use the lipstick pencil to outline the outside of lips and then fill in with lipstick. Take advantage of the multi-use formula and use this lipstick as a blush. Okay, well I've just put some on my hand. So let me see if I can, well I can sort of smudge it out, but you'd have to be careful because you don't want a line that looks smudged, do you? You'd have to like sort of dot it and then really blend it quickly, I think. I'm not sure if I would use that as a blush, but I could use it as a lipstick. Definitely coming out as more pink now than pinky red. It is creamy, it is easy to apply. When I just rubbed my lips together, it melted together nicely to finish them off. I do wear this colour, but it's not my favourite. I feel like red just suits me better than the pinks. I can definitely use this as a lip liner and, you know, if I need to, as a whole lipstick. However, I really like the formula and I love the idea that you have your lip liner here and you have your lipstick, so you're ready to go and you only have to carry one thing. This is what the colour looks like. I feel like it looks better on camera than I feel it does in real life somehow. How are we doing? Are we looking okay? Just say yes. Help me out, just say yes. So that is our last item from this box. And I have to say, I'm feeling pretty happy with all of these goodies. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a good mood at the end of my box rather than like, oh, that was okay. I feel, yeah, I'm feeling good. Total value of this month's Look Fantastic is £66.37. So they are head and shoulders above the rest so far this month. Really good. I like that I'm seeing all new products. Apart from that Philip Kingsley one, and all the rest are, I mean, okay, I've had this in a different colour, but I haven't had the same colour, which is great. So well done, Look Fantastic, for bringing me a bunch of new products. 3 full size items, pretty good sizes on the rest, apart from the teeny tiny bar. But probably it will last a while, to be fair. I think all the products fit the theme of getting you ready for Valentine's Day as well, getting you ready for romance in general. So well done, Look Fantastic. What do you guys think? Is this a box for you? Tell me all your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for joining me on this Look Fantastic unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful to see me demo some of the products. Until I see you next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.